Hello everybody, Handheld Gamer here. Today I got something fantastic to show off. I got a figure, Masters of the Universe Andra from Revelations. So this is the new figure that I picked up. She is the new Master of Arms at the end of the series. Hopefully you've seen it and I didn't spoil that for you. Well, it's not really a spoiler, but she becomes the new Master of Arms. And cool looking figure. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so here is Andra in all her glory, getting all the reflections off this shiny plastic. So the Masters of the Universe Revelations Andra, 30 points of articulation for 6 years or older. So if you're below that age, do not buy this. Do not let your parents buy this for you, because you may choke on it. There's side of the box, her in her cool armor with a helmet. Andra, heroic officer of Eternos, the brains to Tila's brawn. Andra dreams of being a hero while her crestfallen partner tries to leave that behind. The starry-eyed scavenger always has a technological trick up her sleeves, whether it's using her genius to create the inventions or relying on her scrappiness and speed to evade evil. Andra reminds all Eternians of what heroes are and what they can be. Again, we got Fisto also available, Andra, Scareglow, and Stinkor, and we have them all now on that one. I'm only missing Mossman and Evelyn, I believe. So those are the two last ones I need. So let's open it up and check it out. Well, hopefully I got smart this time. Usually I don't bring the scissors. I always forget for some reason. This time I did bring them. So yay me. Yay. Okay. And I did it without cutting myself, which is another plus. So here's Andra. Oh wow. One cool thing is she has a real cloth cape. So there's her helmet. Put him right here. Gets 4 hands. 4 different hands to use. Was it a blast effects? Whoa! Flying blast effects. And let's get her out of there. Is she bound in anywhere? Yes. I've gotten smarter of remembering that these are bound in. One on each leg. Let's lift her cape up. Looks like one on each arm. It's easiest just to cut them off from behind. Anyone's looking to get in these and hasn't opened up these figures before. She should just pop out of there. I don't think she's bound anywhere else. She gets quite a cape. So let's fix it up here so it looks nice. Oh, okay, I see. The blast effects is for her wrist, probably here, firing from her blaster. I'm guessing that's where, if I put it on the right way. I was like, it doesn't fit because I'm putting it on there backwards. So there is that. And Andra looks pretty cool, actually. I'm gonna put her down here so you can see her, and I'll zoom in. I'll put her down like that. She's not really straight, so you can see it. But there is Andra. And let me zoom in here with the camera. She's actually kind of a tall figure. Good quality cape. It's even got like a belt for ammo and stuff, and her gadgets. A little shoulder strap there. Cool looking character. And then you got all these hands, which I don't see me using too much. I'll put her other head on, just because of she doesn't have it come with any weapons besides that. So let me switch her head out here. I'm guessing it just pops off like the others, yeah. Oh no, you've lost your head. So terrible. So there she is with her mask on, or helmet on, mask. On the back of her. The cape is a little, you have to shape it a little bit, mess around with it. But it's pretty cool. Cool looking figure. You probably could take it off too if you didn't want the cape on. I think the cape is basically good for when she's without her helmet on, and probably take it off with it when she's got her helmet on. Let's see what she looks like that. I don't know, I kind of like the cape back on still. This still on with the mask, with her helmet on, because just gives it a little bit more to the figure, and it's real cloth. So very high quality figure, and you get plenty of hands, which like I said, I think there's more hands than you need here. I'm not sure why they gave us so many hands, but you never know. I guess they're there for something. It's just too bad there are no other weapons. I'm sure you could get some from other characters or things. But still a very cool figure. I'm very impressed with it. So anyways, that is it for this episode. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Is there any thumbs here? Well, that's sort of a thumb. Meh, thumb up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. And also smash that little icon bell up there or there to stay tuned for more videos. Anyways, that is it. Take care, everybody, and have a good one. Don't stop believing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pew, 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 pew.